Hi there guys and gals, good day. As you can see, I'm passing here underground, one of the mall here in Cainta. I'm gonna surprise one of my client. Oh gosh, this is Kuya Bautista. Kuya, hold on. Medyo. Oh, here's for you.
Thank you.
Pasensyahan mo na yan ha. I'm gonna surprise Sir Longpo. He is one of my good players. Hi! Happy Three Kings. Happy New Year. Hello. May surprise ako sa'yo. Hindi, pero kasi good player ka eh. Pero bago yan, bigyan muna natin ating mga friends. Sir, oh. Sir. Ay, nakikita yung brand.
Ice cream ang dinara mo.
Grabe ka naman.
Thank you.
Ito si Sir Longpo. He's the one that I'm telling you guys. My good player client. Thank you for being a loyal client and for being a good player. And of course, may pambara ka na, may pantula ka pa. Especially for you. Don't show the brand ah. Do not, ay nako. Ayan. Tanggalin mo na nga to. Para hindi makita yung brand. Please get the straw. Oh, greet your family. Batiin mo sila sa province.
Basta kayo dyan.
Pakilala ka.
Introduce yourself.
Yeah, introduce yourself.
Ayaw ko ma.
Shy ha. Thank you for being my loyal and good player ha. So, make it on time. As always.
Thank you for this.
Yes, no problem. Oh, tikman mo na.
Eh?
Very good. Yummy. Tastes so good.
Tama na yan.
Mm.
Baka sa may kataon.
Ayaw mo niyan. Oh, sige na.
You look like an artist.
Thank you ha. Batiin mo yung family mo.
Kamusta na?
Anong province mo ulit?
Tama.
Oh, greet your family name.
Tulog sa iyo nataraan, mga taga-sama.
Anong apelyido?
Longkop. Mami.
Oh, syempre Longkop, di ba?
Shippy.
Okay, bye-bye.
Thank you.
Sir, pagpasensya nyo na yan ha. Si Sir Costa Verde. Nakalib. Oh, hindi na ano siya. Bye-bye.